Yo, what's up everybody? Hope you're doing fantastic. Today I'll show you which settings that I use to make my microphone quality go from this
And I entered again. I'm that. Alt tab.
to the one that you're hearing right now. So sit back and enjoy. So the first thing that I want to talk about is your microphone levels. You need to make sure that your viewers can hear you loud and clearly, and you also need to make sure that your microphone does not clip. So as you can see down on Streamlabs OBS on the bottom right corner, you have your audio mixer, and a little thumb rule for you guys is to keep your audio levels averaging around middle yellow, and to make sure that your audio does not clip, open a program called Audacity. Take a little recording of your voice. As you can see right now, I'm talking, and make sure that none of these tops or bottoms are cut away. That's clipping, and it drastically reduces your audio quality. If there's any tops or bottom that gets cut out, go to your control panel, go to your sound settings, find your microphone, go to properties and to levels, and turn down your levels from around 100 to maybe 75 should sound good, and try to record once more. If it's not clipping anymore, your audio should be drastically improved. So the second thing that I want to talk about and show you is which filters that I have applied to my microphone. So go down to your audio mixer, click on filters, and as you can see, I have 4 different filters applied, and 3 of them is from the Reaper plugins pack. Link to all the downloads down in the description. So to add a new plugin or a new filter, just click on the plus sign, click on whatever filter you want to add. But for the Reaper plugins, you need to click on the VST plugin, choose whatever name you want and click done, and you will get an empty drop-down menu, and you can just choose whatever filter you want. So the first filter that I want to talk about is the noise removal. It removes all the background noise, all the fans and everything. So what I want you to choose is the Reafir standalone. I don't even know how to say it, but choose that one, open the plugin interface. It should be a straight red line for you guys, but what I want you to do is to click on Perf Size, Subtract, and when you click on the automatically build noise profile, you need to be as quiet as possible so it removes only the background noise. So I'm gonna do that right now. And by clicking the same button once more, you have now removed all the background noise, and that's the whole point by the plugin. So the second plugin that I want to talk about is the EQ. So what I want you to do is to choose the Area EQ standalone plugin, open the interface, and for you guys, it should probably look like a straight line with maybe only 4 bands. To add the new band, just click on Add Band button. And just copy the settings that I'm showing you right now, and your microphone should be drastically better. So the third plugin that I want to talk about is the compressor. I'm still using the Reaper plugin, so the Reacomp standalone. Open plugin interface and copy the settings that I'm using. Right now I'm having a threshold at -10. I have an attack at 1 millisecond. I have a ratio 3:1, and this is personal preference, but you can also use the auto makeup over here. It just pushes the lows up and pushes down the highs, so it's more a uniform audio level, but that's personal preference. And the fourth and last plugin that I want to talk about is the limiter. That's a stock plugin actually, so you can just click on the plus sign and click at limiter. And what I want you to do here is to add a threshold at around -4.9. It just makes sure that it doesn't let through any audio higher than -4.9 decibels, and it might save some of your viewers' headphones as well. Who knows? So to finish this video off, I have 2 bonus tips that you can implement. The first one being adding a studio arm and a shock mount to your setup. It absorbs all the vibrations from the table, and it also leads to tip number 2. Bring your microphone closer to your mouth, around an inch should be good, and add a pop filter / windshield as well, so it removes all the plosives while you're talking, and you should be good. I think that should be it. So if you found this video informative, make sure to like, subscribe, and if you have any questions, put them down in the comments, or catch me live on Twitch at MellaOP, link down in the description. Hopefully it helped, and I see you on the next video. See ya, guys.